Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the copyrighted audio warning feature. That means that you will be notified if multiple instances of copyrighted audio are detected in your VODs within a 24-hour time period. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on channel. After that, you should scroll down and tap on this customize channel button on the right side. Then go to the left side column and click on settings. And within settings, here you can find the stream subcategory, so tap on it, scroll down a bit, and here you can find the copyrighted audio warnings that you can enable by tapping on this button. So you will be notified when you use a copyrighted audio. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.